It is very okay to say 3 persons came here in English. Very okay. But if you would say that in Fante, you'll be wrong. Do you know why? In this lesson, I'm going to tell you how to count humans. Counting humans in Fante is very different from the way we do express them in English, right? So, like we said, nipa basa baha. It's wrong. 3 persons came here. It's correct in English. If you say that directly in Fante, it will be Nipe Basa Baha. Nipe Basa Baha. That is wrong. We don't say that in Fante. But how do we say this? Now, counting humans is different in Fante. We add the prefix B-A-A or B-A-A to some other letters to make these counting numerals worth it, right? Now, let's say you want to count just a person, one person in Fante. You say Bako. Bako. You don't say Nimpakwa. One person. You don't say Nimpakwa. It's wrong. So you say Bako. Bako. So the prefix is ba. Now let's look at two. So nu, that is nu, representing 2. So the prefix, that is ba, benu. Benu. Okay, so that is benu. So we can have it in a sentence and we can say Mofra benu ridizi. Mofra benu ridizi. 2 children are eating. Mofra benu ridizi. Now let's look at this one. 3. We say 3 ebasa. And when counting humans, we say basa. Basa. So the sa, that is representing 3, and the prefix, that is ba, basa. Okay, basa. So someone asks you, how many are they? Then you can respond, they are 3. So in Fante, you say, waye basa. Waye basa. So we are talking about humans. Let's look at 4. Anan is 4. This one also follows the same thing. You cannot say, nimpa nan na woho. Nimpa nan na woho. But you rather say banan. Banan. So nimpa banan na wowoho. Nimpa banan na wowoho. Okay, let's look at 5. 5 is enum. It begins with a vowel, enum, that is E, A in Fante. We take off the A and then we add the prefix, that is B-A-E. We cannot add ba because the A and A does not go. So we make it benum. Benum. So benum. Nkrofo no ye benum. The people are 5. The people are 5. Where ye benum? 6. It begins with a vowel A, that is E in English. So the prefix added to this is B. And then we continue with sia. So besia. Besia. Right? Let's look at this one. 7. Beson. Beson. Because B is the prefix, that is B-A-A. And ison is 7 in Fante. Now 8 is awache. Awache. Now, this is also bawache. Bawache. So not nipa wache, but nipa bawache. Okay, that is also clear. And lastly, 9 is akron in Fante. Akron. So you can't say nipa no way akron. Nipa bakron na woroko fiho. 9 people are going to the house, right? And that is it. So that is the end of the lesson today. I believe you might have some few questions that you may want to ask. Please post them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Please, if this is your first time here, I believe this video is worth giving you a chance to subscribe to our channel. Please do so. And remember to share our videos to others so that others might benefit from this Fante education here on the YouTube channel. The name is Ochechrinyi Apiemensa. Let's meet on another interesting lesson here on my channel. Bye-bye.